How to add music to Facebook post. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top, you're gonna find the option of what's on your mind. At the right corner of it, you'll find the picture icon. Clicking on that, your camera roll will open up. Now you can select the post that you wanna upload, or else you can click it. If you wanna click right away, click on the camera option, or you can select the picture and click on next. Now how can you add music to this post? For that, you'll need to click on the option of edit. Now at the top, you're gonna find the font option. Select the music option. With that, you'll get this kind of pop-up where you're gonna find tons of music option. You can choose any of it, or also you can search for a specific song. After that song appears, click on it. Now it will be applied to your post. Clicking on the music, you are able to select the template. Likewise, you can also select the particular part of the music that you want to set for your post. Once you do that, you can click on the option of done. Now you are able to add caption to your post. Likewise, customize other settings and then click on the option of post. With that, you have just uploaded a post along with the music in your Facebook. So this is how you can add music to Facebook post. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.